Properties of Laplace transform theorem is Laplace transformation is a linear transformation. Means Laplace of a1 f1t plus a2 f2t equal to a1 Laplace of f1t plus a2 Laplace of f2t. So a1 and a2 are constants. So proof, we have by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt. So here we consider Laplace a1 f1t plus a2 f2t. So by using above theorem, so we have equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into a1 f1t plus a2 f2t dt, or a1 integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f1t dt plus a2 0 to infinity e power minus st f2t dt. So we know that this integral equal to Laplace of f1t and this integral equal to Laplace of f2t. So finally we have a1 Laplace of f1t plus a2 Laplace of f2t is the final proof. So we can generalize this theorem also. So Laplace of a1 f1t plus a2 f2t plus so on is equal to a1 Laplace of f1t plus a2 Laplace of f2t plus so on. Next is first shifting or translation property. So theorem, if Laplace of ft equal to function of s, then Laplace of e power at into ft equal to function of s minus a. So proof, we have by definition of Laplace transform, Laplace of ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st ft dt equal to function of s. So equation number 1. Then we have this ft equal to e power at into ft. So by using the above property, Laplace of e power at ft equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power at into ft dt, or we can solve e power minus st into e power at equal to e power minus s minus a t into ft dt. So finally we observe that this is equal to function of s minus a by the above equation number 1. So question is, find Laplace transform of t square into e power 3t. So Laplace of t power n gamma of n plus 1 upon s power n plus 1, or this gamma is equal to factorial n upon s plus 1 also. So by using this formula, Laplace of t square equal to factorial 2 upon s power 3, or we can write gamma of 3 upon s power 3 also. So on simplifying, we have 2 upon s power 3. Suppose this is equal to function of s, and Laplace of t square into e power 3t equal to function of s minus 3 means 2 upon s power 3 function of s is this, s is converted into s minus 3. So this result becomes 2 upon s minus 3 power 3. So next question is find Laplace of e power 4t into t power 3. So we know that Laplace of t power n equal to gamma n plus 1 upon s power n plus 1. So Laplace of t power 3 equal to gamma 4 upon s power 4 equal to 6 upon s power 4. So Laplace of e power 4t into t power 3 equal to 6 upon s power 4 and s is converted into s minus 4. So finally we have this result. Find Laplace of e power 8 into sin vt. So we have Laplace of sin vt equal to Laplace of sin vt equal to b upon s square plus b square, and this s is converted into s minus a, s minus a. So we have b upon s square plus b square, s is converted to s minus a. So final result is b upon s minus a square plus b square. Laplace of e power minus 2t into sin 4t. So we have Laplace of sin 4t equal to 4 upon s square plus 4 square. Suppose this is function of s, and Laplace of e power minus 2t into sin 4t means s is converted into s plus 2 in above relation. So we have Laplace of e power minus 2t into sin 4t equal to 4 upon s plus 4 square plus 16 is the answer. Laplace of e power minus t 3 sin hyperbolic 2t minus 5 cos hyperbolic 2t. So we have Laplace of 3 sin hyperbolic 2t minus 5 cos hyperbolic 2t. So we know that Laplace of sin hyperbolic at equal to a upon s square minus a square, and Laplace of cos hyperbolic at equal to s upon s square minus a square. So we have, by using these formulas, Laplace of 3 sin hyperbolic 2t equal to 2 upon s square minus 2 square minus 5 s upon s square minus 2 square. On simplifying, we have 6 minus 5s upon s square minus 4. Suppose this is the function of s. So by first shifting property, s is converted into s plus 1 in above relation. So Laplace of e power minus t into 3 sin hyperbolic 2t minus 5 cos hyperbolic 2t equal to 6 minus 5 into s plus 1 upon s plus 1 square minus 4, and finally 1 minus 5s upon s square plus 2s minus 3. And Laplace transform of e power minus 3t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. So, solution, we have Laplace of e power minus 3t into 2 cos 5t minus 3 sin 5t. And by using the linearity property, we have Laplace of twice e power minus 3t into cos 5t minus Laplace of 3 e power minus 3t into sin 5t. And we have Laplace of cos 5t equal to s upon s square plus 25, and Laplace of sin 5t equal to 5 upon s square plus 25. Here s is converted into s plus 3 and s is converted into s plus 3 by using the first shifting property. So we have 2 into s plus 3 upon s plus 3 square plus 25 minus 15 upon s plus 3 square plus 25. Taking LCM, we have 2s minus 9 upon s square plus 6s plus 34. The answer. Find Laplace transform of t square plus 1 square into e power t. So we have Laplace of e power t into t square plus 1 whole square. And we have t square plus 1 whole square equal to t power 4 plus 2t square plus of e power t into t power 4 plus twice Laplace of e power t into t square plus Laplace of t power t. So we have Laplace of t power 4 equal to gamma 4 plus 1 upon s power 4, s power 5. S is converted into s minus 1 plus twice Laplace of t square equal to gamma 2 plus 3 upon s power 3. Here s is converted into s minus 1 also. And we know that Laplace of e power t equal to 1 upon s minus 1. So finally we have 24 upon s minus 1 power 5 plus 4 upon s minus 1 power 3 plus 1 upon s minus 1, the answer. Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at into sin at. So we have Laplace of cos hyperbolic at into sin at. And we know that cos hyperbolic at equal to e power at minus e power at upon 2 into sin at. Or we have 1 by 2 into Laplace of e power at sin at plus 1 by 2 Laplace of e power minus 8 into sin at. So we know that Laplace of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square, and Laplace of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square. Here s is converted into s minus a, and here s is converted into s plus a. So we have a upon twice s minus a square plus a square plus a upon twice s plus a whole square plus a square. On simplifying, we have a into s square plus 2a square upon s square minus 2as plus 2a square into s square plus 2as plus 2a square is the answer. Find Laplace transform of 2 e power t into sin 4t into cos 2t. So we have Laplace of twice e power t sin 4t into cos 2t. And we have next step as Laplace of e power t in the bracket 2 sin 4t into cos 2t. So by using the formula 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So by using this formula, we have Laplace of e power at into sin 6t plus sin 2t. Or by using the linearity property, we have Laplace of e power at into sin 6t plus Laplace of e power at into sin 2t. So we know that Laplace of sin 6t equal to 6 upon s square plus 36. S is converted into s minus 1. And Laplace of sin 2t equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. S is converted into s minus 1 also. So final answer is 6 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 36 plus 2 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 4. On simplifying, we have 6 upon s square plus 1 minus 2s plus 36 plus 2 upon s square plus 1 minus 2s plus 4. Or taking LCM and further simplifying, we have 6s square plus 30 minus 12s plus 2s square minus 4s plus 74 upon s square minus 2s plus 37 into s square minus 2s plus 5. Or we have final answer as 8s square minus 16s plus 104 upon s square minus 2s plus 37 into s square minus 2s plus 5.